Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. First of all, we need to just right click on the start icon and click on settings. Once we are here, we have to click on accessibility. On this window, just keep scrolling down until we found the keyboard section from the interaction. So click on it and enable this option on screen keyboard. So once we are here, we have to go to search bar and type here RUN and click here, then type here REG edit, click on OK. Just minimize this and select as. Now expand HK local machine, then expand system folder, then expand current control set and expand the services folder. Once we are here, just keep scrolling down until we found the I8042 port. So click on it and on the right side right click on start, select modify, and we have to change the value data as to 1. Then click on OK, close this window and then just restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. Please do check out the pin comment.